Look what we bought today. I am just so very, very, very excited. We found this beautiful home in Crestwood, Kentucky. We now plan to retire here. At least I'm retired for right now. We're gonna give this old house some love and care. Front door, that's the front door. Got these stairs going up. A loft, 2 bedrooms, and a bath. Our bedroom is down here. We may bump into Lee. We meet. This is our bedroom. There's a bedroom up here. She left us a TV. So this is our bedroom here. Start filling up the closets. And if I go over here, this is the back door. Oop. It's the back door. This is our laundry room. Nice big laundry room. It's got that cute little ironing board. And it's so cute. If you look at this here, you open this up, and this comes down, and it's got the little sleeve one for your sleeves. So cute, just cute. Cute, cute. So the door is off. This is the back door. That goes out to the driveway. And we're thinking about putting a wheelchair ramp here. A nice concrete one that goes out and have a second driveway up here. So if we had to get in and out with a wheelchair, we could. That's the bathroom. Hello, bathroom. There's the basement. Big, big basement. I'll show you later.